Hi, I'm Frank with Computer Comforts, and I'm here today to talk a little bit about our collaborative student table. We designed this table for small group collaboration. This is actually a little mini version or one of the smaller ones we build. It's, I believe, 60 inches long by 36 across. We'll cut them in all different shapes. They call this one a bullet for obvious reasons, but we also do trapezoid shapes, ovals, rectangles, you name it. We put some power receptacles in the tabletops, so if you have 5 or 6 students, they can all plug in their laptops. Oftentimes, we see the campuses including switches like an Extron, a Crestron switch for screen sharing. I've designed it so this rear panel is hinged, so you can throw, let's say, a thin client or a small CPU down there. And normally this is bolted closed. I actually just took it out for this, took the screws out for the demonstration. It's bolted closed because you don't really want the students in there messing with the wires and the hardware. So this unit runs around $1,400. I want to say it's an extra 300 or 400 if you want LCD mount. That's optional with this unit. And if you'd like to learn a little bit more, you can visit my website, which is computercomforts.com. Thank you much.